Hi, Ren. I want to show this very interesting Montessori tool apparatus that I found at certain care homes or old folks care homes. They actually let this be one of the activities that they ask the people, the residents, to actually uh, you know partake in to regain or rehabilitate their body control or dexterity. So what we need is very simple, just a bowl, maybe two bowls, but right now I have one bowl. So one bowl and some rubber bands, then a pair of chopsticks. So the what is a Montessori apparatus? That something which can give you a live feedback loop on your bodily control and also your dexterity, so that you can constantly learn to you know rehabilitate or maintain your bodily senses and control. So so how to use this, or how to play this game, is to use the chopsticks to pick up the rubber bands one by one. So alright, so you can see that this takes control of strength and a certain degree of movement mastery, which is good, both for maintenance as well for rehabilitation. So you see, yeah, it's a very interesting, and it's fun, taking things out one by one, then putting them back. But of course, these rubber bands, this is a bowl. But I don't think it's only limited to rubber bands. You can put whatever that you find interesting inside it. It can be marbles, or I don't know. You can be creative lah, So after it's out, you can pick it up and put it back in. It's just a very wonderful Montessori tool for, I think, even children. It was beneficial for children as well, to teach them how to exercise their dexterity and muscle strength, their mind. It's just overall is good. Yeah. Alright, so there you go. It's a sharing for today. If you guys find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for joining by. Before you leave, I would like to remind all of you that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves all of you and He is a healer. So please feel free to reach out to Him and He will heal you. Through His sacrifice on the cross, He took away your sickness and diseases and all of your griefs and sorrow, so you can place your trust in Him. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you everyone again for dropping by, and see you guys next time. Bye. God bless. See you.